rapping all that love. That shit hurt, got me high off the drugs. Don't ever come back, cause when the mother is a dog. I ain't think a shorty could ever hurt a thug. Never should.
So what's up, guys? It's Big Duck Rules. Back here again. Another bike vlog. So today it's alright outside. And I'm gonna bring you guys to the beach with me today. So have a little smoke session over there while we there at it. Clip y'all back on, and I'll get to the beach.
I feel too free, got no nice feet, I feel just like OD. Okay. Told my shorty by my side, the only place to be. I ain't got no chill when it come to you and I. Big bang when you ready, cause I'm right inside. Gotta hit the spot up in the north, that shit a little dry. Then slide to the south, round late night. Trip every party a nigga see in sight. I'm feeling good, I'm out the crib, no quarantine tonight. It be like boom. When I enter the room, I be jigging when I step. Cause they like the way I grew. They say I'm the life of the party, but I'm really just a mood. I get the kicking like
Dude, it's so funky over here, yeah.
Let's go. When I enter the room, I be jigging when I step. Cause they like the way I grew. They say I'm the life of the party, but I'm really just a mood. I get the kicking like chicken, but I go to Kung Fu. I just walked inside the party and I'm feeling turned up. Before I walked in, look dry. That shit, but it's fuck. Always keep it black. Just in case I gotta fuck around and bust it some up. I think they used to be out here acting like they tough as fuck. When I'm smoking on this Cody, you can smell those us over. Nigga, I heard something. Hush, nigga, hush.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about any of the views. If I gotta smell some fucking shit every day.
Nothing gon' be easy, you just gotta adjust. I remember I was in the back, riding on the bus. Now I'm stacking in my bread, cause I'm finna get a truck. I'm so hot, I cannot be touched. A-A-A-R-T, that ain't it.
Now, we're looking into the open part of the beach. Yeah, how you doing?
They used to call me ugly, but I got an alibi. I got a brown skin bag, this little mama too fine. She said she want me color Harley, you know when she like the ride. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. When you put that on the scale, it's just a slice of the pie. I'm high, you can call it nigga 5. They said I went to see it.
so probably for us to have a nice little spot. Nobody really fuck with us, and for me to have my bike, little area probably down here. Oh yeah. Took my bike away down here. Having little technical difficulties, but we're gonna have a little session to get it started right here. Got my bike down there. Then got the nice vibes. Then we gotta wait for the few people to walk by. You got a nice little blunt roll right here, man. Sometimes I use one paper. Sometimes I use two, depending on how fat I make it. But you know, don't judge me, man. And motherfuckers come by you when they're really supposed to be by you, but don't want you to fuck along. They nosy. Hey, they might be around for a little session. But look, we got the nice views out there, man. Got the nice little ocean view. And then you know y'all about to get the nice little view of me smoking. I know y'all fuck with it either way. I wasn't thinking. I should have been, but I should go to it. Just to make do, I will get my blunt, right? The spot that I found that was 2 feet down, and I got stuck in the leg by this fucking bullshit ass bush. Yeah. Thanks, little rock, buddy. Should've brought a torch. Should've brought a torch. Should've brought a torch. Alright, to torch it, let it get a nice little rose to it. We're gonna start trying to come with the little bike vlogs more often. Have a little smoke sesh together. It's a nice little spot, I like it. Get to hear the water, get the smoke. I be like, fucking tight. Went out at the right time. Give you guys some motherfuckers. We're gonna get it lit. Alright, so we got the blunt back up and going. Nice little session. No, I'm gonna keep on blowing. See, I don't know what to talk about at the moment because I'm new at this. But as things keep going, and as we keep on going, I'm gonna keep on talking to you guys. We was at one of my cousin's house last night. They got drunk. I was like, just sent them a random picture. I thought I looked good in the picture. Man, I was drunk as hell. I knew I was drunk as hell too. I just thought I looked good, but I was like, let me take a picture. I was like, I can't look that bad. Man, I sauced the hell up. That shit is funny as hell. I know they got a kick out of it too. Yeah. There's a whole family that just pulled up in front of me and sat down. Oh, fuck. I was here for this. So I finished my little session. I still got this much of my blunt left. I like to move nice blunts for myself. I like. So what y'all got grabber, got front, you got just like, if y'all rolling in paper, y'all just like straight paper. I like a straight paper, I figure I'll come out by the beach. You know, front something like a little special. If I use front, I'll do it just to get the little tobacco buzz. But if not, I just like regular raw dog. So we damn near getting to the end of my blunt. The family's still there. It's still been about a little minute since I've been smoking. God damn, my phone failed. Got a little blunt down there, and I'll go take the bike back up here, go for a little more of a ride. Find my key for this shit. Damn, I forgot to take a picture. It would have been a nice little picture. But I'm gonna be back here another day for a smoke session, probably early in the morning. Show you a little bit more of the park until it goes on into like the other part of town. The other part of town I'm not gonna show you. Oh man, they got it closed down. So y'all not even about to see shit. Y'all gotta wait till another time. But I'm about to take y'all back on my little trip. What you guys think? Is aliens out there or not? Is aliens or not? I don't know shit. There's probably other shit out there.
Yeah. I met some strange ass motherfucker. A fucking old man named Eddie. But cool guy. I'll probably run back into him. Seemed like all he do is sit his ass out here. But we we gonna get back to the vlog, man. I should have recorded that shit. Oh man, fucking crazy as hell. Cause we ain't taking that way back out. We're going back out this way. Get the little housing shit fixed on my GoPro. Fucking broke that shit. And now I gotta get it fixed. Matter of fact, I could just put some glue, some crazy glue up there, and I'm all set. Alright, got a little curve. I checked on Best Buy and fucking Amazon. Yo, them fucking housing shit's expensive, motherfuckers. Sitting here trying to get me. That's why the fuck you always stay fucking recording, boys. Cause that stupid bitch was not fucking looking. That bitch was about to take me out, boys. It's about to be game over for your fucking boy. Cause that bitch is about to take me out. But we getting back to it. Yo, isn't it crazy? It's always somebody who's trying to hit me while I'm fucking vlogging it. Well, not try to hit me, but who not? Also, it's some bullshit while I'm vlogging, man. Fuck people.
Till I start to shine, shine so bright that it's making you blind. I be in the sky cause I'm high, but another thing I just be fly. I'm the cutest big nigga alive. I cut up on that beat like that shit apple pie.